Hi, welcome to my website. This is a very simple site. I have about 4 tabs. I have an About tab, Education, History, and Skills. I built this site using WordPress. Over on the right is a search box where you can type something in, and if it's on my website, you will be brought right to that area. Under that is an area for recent comments. Because I haven't upgraded to a paid WordPress site, WordPress does place ads on my website. Over on the left, I have an area where people can share my site on Twitter, Google, LinkedIn. I have a button so they can email me. I have a button so they can print the site. I also have a button here underneath where they can select whether they like my site or not. Under that, I have area where people can list comments about my site. And at the bottom, I have links to my Twitter and LinkedIn pages. Let's take a look at what's on my education site. Listed here are all of the places that I've gone to school or certifications that I have received. On my history tab, I have a short little screen show of my experience and my work history. On my skills page, I have a listing of all of my skills. But as you notice, project management looks like it's in a different font than the rest of the items that are listed. We should go ahead and see if we can fix that. Down at the bottom right, I click on the ellipsis and I can log into WordPress in order to fix it. So since we logged in from the skills page, it brought me directly there. And I have 2 ways that I can update or change the site. I can click on the edit button down at the bottom right, or I can go to my toolbar up at the top and click on my site, site pages. And we want to change what's on my skills page. So I would select skills, and there's everything listed here. So as we can see, project management looks like it's in a little bit different of a font than the rest of them. So if I select project management, I see it's under a heading 3, whereas the rest of the items are under paragraph. So let's see if I can take this and change it to paragraph. Let's see. That worked, but it's not bold, so I have to make it bold. And I also want to get rid of the space underneath. But that doesn't seem to work. So if I'm having problems changing things with visually, I can always revert to the HTML code to see what's going on. So it looks like I was able to change the font to strong, whereas before it was an H3, and that looks good there. So maybe I need to get rid of the space here. Let's give it a try. Hit delete. That seemed to move everything up. It looks like it's okay. Let's go back to our visual tab and see how it looks there. Seems like it looks okay. Just to be safe, let's preview the site. And yes, it looks good. So we can close out of here. Now I'm ready to go ahead and update the top left. So the site's updating. We can visit our page, and there we are. Looks good now. And what do you guys think about this flower that I have on the background? Let's see if we can change that to something different. So I click on my site down at the very bottom. I click on WordPress admin, and I get to my dashboard. Click on appearance. And because I want to change my header background, I'll scroll down to where it says header. I'll select that. And here's some pictures that I can choose from for a header. If there's nothing here that I like, I can also add to this area and select. So let's see, we have a beach scene here. That looks good. And that went ahead and updated. I see what it looks like. It looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and publish that. And then we can X out of here. I'll go back to my site, click on view site, check it out. Looks good. Let's check my skills page. That still looks good. So I think we did what we set out to do. Thanks so much for taking a tour of my site. Bye.